Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fade to black in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. Steps. Method 1. Using the fade out effect on the clip. Import your clip. Open DaVinci Resolve and import the clip you want to work with. Timeline. Drag your clip onto the timeline. Select the clip. Click on the clip in the timeline to select it. Go to the inspector. In the top right corner of the screen, make sure the inspector panel is open. Add a fade to black. In the inspector, scroll down to the video section. Under the opacity setting, click the small diamond icon next to the opacity slider to create a keyframe at the start or where you want the fade to begin. Move the playhead to the point where you want the fade to end. Change the opacity to 0% at the endpoint to complete the fade to black. Method 2. Using an adjustment clip. Create an adjustment clip. In the effects library, search for adjustment clip. Drag the adjustment clip to a new track above your clip onto the timeline. Fade adjustment clip to black. With adjustment clip selected, go to the inspector and keyframe the opacity in the same way as method 1. Start at 100% and fade to 0% at the end. And that is everything you need to know about how to fade to black in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.